Morning, students. I hope you have studied for the revision test, it's a quiz test, and it is concerning all three lessons 1, 3, and 4. We have only 15 questions, so take your time and do it very honestly. Um, After the test, you don't need to send me, okay? Just see the questions, solve if you have anything wrong, incorrectly done, okay? Give yourself marks out of 15, right? And this is how you are prepared for your unit test, right? Let's see. Let's start. You all know the instructions, general instructions. Okay. Take a paper, pin page, rough book you can take, as you don't have to submit. You take a pin page or a rough book and a pencil. Answer in one word. Okay. Each question carries 1 mark. Total marks are 15. You are expected to be very honest and also neat in your work. Right? Are you ready? Let's start with question number 1. I'll repeat each question 2 times. The word dash comes from a Latin word mappa, which means a napkin. The word dash comes from a Latin word mappa, which means a napkin. Quickly write. No need to open your textbook. If you do that, you will not know what you have learned and what you haven't, what you know and what you don't know. The second question is the dash, when flattened, becomes a map. I repeat, the dash, when flattened, becomes a map. Repeat again. The dash, when flattened, becomes a map. Third question. The dash is the middle range of the Himalayas. The dash is the middle range of the Himalayas. You know there are 3 ranges. Each of these ranges have their names. Okay, we call them by some names, right? So what is the name for the middle range of the Himalayas? Okay, let's move to the fourth question. The dash shows the size and distance between places on a map. What is it? The dash. What is the dash? The dash shows the size and the distance between places on a map. Fifth one. The dash of a map explains what the colors and symbols used in the map mean. The dash of a map explains what the colors and the symbols used in the map mean. Have you written? Okay. Let's move to the sixth one. I'm going to repeat all the questions again at the end, so don't worry. Dash such as seas, oceans, and rivers on the map are shown in blue color. Now, what are those things on the map which are shown in blue color? What are those things on the map? You might have seen the physical map. What are those things which are marked with blue color? Okay. Most of you might have already written. Very good. Right. Let's go to the seventh one. The region south of the river Narmada and the Satpura range is called Dash Plateau. It's a very easy question. You should know by now. Okay, it's a very easy question. Okay, all questions will not be easy, and all questions will not be hard also. Okay, so you have to be ready. The region south of the river Narmada and the Satpura range is called the Dash Plateau. We come to the next one, eighth one. The Dash use camels to move from one place to another. The Dash use camels. I told you that every sentence in the textbook makes up a question. The Dash use camels to move from one place to another. Done? Alright, let's go to the ninth one. Dash color on the map is used to show cold deserts and snow covered areas. Dash color, again I have asked a color. That means it's concerned with the physical map. Which color on the map is used to show cold deserts and snow covered areas? Which color on the map is used to show cold deserts and snow covered areas? Those who have already written the answer, very good. See the 10th one. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a dash. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a dash. It is a definition. What is the term? An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a dash. Any round thing, 11th one, any round thing shaped like a ball is called a dash. A very easy question. Another easy question for those people who have found the other question stuff. So, very easy question. I'll repeat. Any round thing shaped like a ball is called a dash. Number 12. The river Dash is the most important tributary of river Ganga. The river Dash is the most important tributary of river Ganga. Have you written? Easy one. This also easy one. Some people are scoring full marks, I know. Okay, let's move to the last three. Dash soil is good for cultivation of cotton and oilseeds. Which soil is good for cultivation of cotton and oilseeds? Dash soil is good for cultivation of cotton and oilseeds. We'll move to the next one. Most of the rivers of the Deccan, like Krishna and Kaveri, flow into Dash in the east. What is that water body? Most of the rivers of the Deccan, like Krishna and Kaveri, flow into this water body. What is that water body in the east? Okay, I have already given you one hint, right? So please write down quickly. Mm, Most of the rivers of the Deccan, like Krishna and Kaveri, flow into Dash in the east. The last one, maps contain more details and are easier to carry from one place to another than Dash. What is that Dash? Maps contain more details and are easier to carry. We compare these two things, right? Maps contain more details and are easier to carry from one place to another than Dash. Another easy question. Have you written the answers? Now I'm going back and I'll just repeat the questions for those people who haven't been able to write quickly. I'll repeat. Quickly, I'll repeat. I'll not waste time. The word dash comes from a Latin word mappa, which means a napkin. Second, the dash, when flattened, becomes a map. Third, the dash is the middle range of the Himalayas. Fourth, the dash shows the size and distance between places on a map. The dash shows the size and distance between places on a map. Fifth, the dash of a map explains what the colors and symbols used in the map mean. Dash such as 61, dash such as seas and oceans and rivers on the map are shown in blue color. The region south of the river Narmada and the Satpura range is called dash plateau. Eighth one, the dash use camels to move from one place to another. Who? Question mark. Who? 9. Dash color on the map is used to show cold deserts and snow-covered areas. Which color? 10. An area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a dash. It's a term. What is that term? Any round thing, 11. Any round thing shaped like a ball is called a dash. Again, it's a term. What is that term? 12. The river Dash is the most important tributary of River Ganga. Which river? Last three. Dash soil is good for cultivation of cotton and oil seeds. 14. Most of the rivers of the Deccan like Krishna and Kaveri flow into the Dash in the east. 15. Maps contain more details and are easier to carry from one place to another than these things. What are these things? Dash. Hope you all enjoyed the quiz and also learned a lot. You know what type of questions would be asked. Be prepared. All the very best for unit tests. I wish you all the very best from all the teachers. On behalf of all the teachers of Form 4, girls section, boys section, do well in your unit test, score high marks. Okay, all the very best. Now, you need to read each and every question very carefully. Some questions may be tricky, right? We, it's just like a quiz only. We have been doing the quiz, okay, quiz test, okay, but options will be given. Now, someone would find the options also very tough because they would be tricky. So, do your very best and I wish you a very heavy, very, very happy day ahead, a wonderful day ahead. Have a nice day. Okay.